to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about the video that is now circulating, showing members of the JCF in a bar. Let's just call it a big people bar where quote unquote dancing take place. Right. You should have a good idea what I'm talking about. This is broad daylight in them uniform. I'm assuming supposed to depend on some kind of ops or carrying out some kind of duty. We have to talk about it. We have to talk about the trolling, because that's the only thing I can do. It must be trolling, because it look like say on a protect and serve or protect and troll. Them squad here can't serious. But before we go any further, for those of you who might not be aware, today, May 3rd, officially is the 2nd anniversary of the PIA movement. If you look at my channel, you will see the first video upon it. It was May 3rd, 2019. So today is the birthday of the channel. Personally, it feels longer than 2 years. I don't know why it feels like a 5 years when I do this now. Here's a fun fact for the mathematics students out there. We now have 765 videos in 730 days. And this is just the main channel. This is not including the over 50 odd videos with it on Patreon. What heap of work going at this. So PIA, big up on yourself. Patreon squad, you don't know. Big up on yourself. Right. I'm going to move straight into the video. Squaddy, a team of squaddies, not like say I look one eyeglass. A team of officers going to a bar. As I say, at the bar, dancing going. Man, them that in uniform. As you can see on your screen right now. That was the moment Squaddy realized, say, the camera right upon him. Now you would think, right, a police officer who supposed to be on work, supposed to be doing his duties, broad daylight in a them bar there, in there with girl, dancing. You would think, so when the camera go up on him and him realize, say, video in a go on, you would have think, something in my mind that I say, well, this is supposed to happen. Me in a uniform, who they on duty. Supposed to be professionals. Squaddy don't care. Squaddy did enjoy himself. Living his best life. Squaddy never even try play it off. Even when the camera touch on him, I tell him about Jamaican culture and his video light thing, Him couldn't even play it off. I never want to play it off, because I tell you right now, PIA Patreon squad, I tell you right now, if I made that and them catch me on a video, right, with no dance and a broad daylight to me supposed to be on work, me I transform in a police of the year right away. When me done, them must give me a medal. Because me I say, hold on, what is going on here? Where the rest of your clothes there? Where is the rest of your clothes? Why are you just like this in broad daylight? Right? You realize this is public indecency? Come turn around, give me a hand them. Give me a hand them, right? I'm going to handcuff you and carry to the station. Squaddy, you hold on panda one there and you hold on panda one there. Come, we're arresting the whole of them. Go and take this thing for. I'm not trying to. Public indecency, no man. As the police come in and I say I behave. You see me and my team of officers come in and this is how I behave. No respect for police, no respect for the law. Come on, I go to a station, right? I make sure look on to make sure the camera catch all the men I say to you. And I show load. Yeah man, one thing so I try to disrespect police, come on, go in a jeep. You know no sense. Instead Squaddy start dance even harder. When that time Squaddy sit down on the chair like him a take in the show. Fun and joke aside. I'm gonna show you how enough police officers give them 3 points. Throughout the entire video, none of them man them, the come and say them they remember saying my police. If a group of 87 did walk in upon them, the whole of them gone. Because by this point, the small A take over. No man now watch them 6, nobody on the police during this video. Right, them on vacation, they on holiday, at night time, them in them shorts and them sneakers, right, and if them mind a party, and them no about no work. When you see how man give them life, so when you see say it's not those 87s get caught out like this. I'm telling you, say, just get a, when time man want get out 87, they just send one girl for just, quote unquote, entertain them. And then, I'm take them like, but the same thing for police too. Cause enough police operate just like 87. The same strategies, the same Mickey Mouse tricks when man use and get out police are the same thing we get out. Sorry, the same thing we get out 87s are the same we get out police. Just send a girl feed. The man them on duty. Work, the man them supposed to work. Somewhere in the vicinity, somebody handbag probably just get snatched. Somewhere in the vicinity, right? Somebody car probably get taken from them. Right? Doesn't matter, cause Squaddy and him team, they in a dancing bar enjoying themselves. You have to go wait. You have to go wait. Right? The team is having some fun. The team is enjoying themselves. I mean priorities, right? Now this is ridiculous. JCF, every time JCF does something will make people say, well done. It's like a next set of police say, you think that's it, I go, watch this. Watch the movie. Oh, think so when I come give you no credit and make you look good, alright, watch this. Watch the gimmicks and now I go pull out of the bag. If me never see the video, if somebody just tell me, I say no man, because maybe your show said them not in uniform. I probably say no man, maybe I get it wrong because I know say foolishness like this go on, but surely man never did and see man a video man first you can't swear for them and you can't say no man, them money not going on a dancing bar, you'll be foolish to swear for them. Right. You can't boy you. No, them money not go up on a dancing bar on a duty, you mad? Not the highly professional members of the J. No, so that can't. You can't say them foolish thing. But what might surprise you the fact say even time the video phone, when the video camera come in, they might think say something that them head switch on and them say no, there's something wrong so. Even then, them still in a la land. Them still in a wonderland. Them not using about no. Man enjoy himself and I guess because they mass up, probably say well, enjoy yourself. Right. As them said, no face, no case. Well, all you need is one man for talk. Right. All you need is one man for talk. JCF have to do better than this. Even if the man in the business about them work, even if the JCF officers them don't care about doing the police work, you gotta think that the man them at least care about their life. Let's say them the business about no duty and no protecting and all that. Right? Them do alright, let's say them don't care, but you think them at least care about them life because in this video, as me say, if a group of man going upon them, the whole of them, man, we don't know who they serve. Because they're lacking. The man them this are not even switch off. This power switch off. The switch they even at the wall. Forget about switch off. The switch not install, no time at all. This video is embarrassing for JCF. I mean, we know say enough man not take professionalism serious, but this is a new level. For the man I joke out the work. I joke out serious work too. And the next thing that stand out to me is that one of the dancers them, as she was performing her acts upon a buckle, she have a police hat on her head. So Squaddy all give her him uniform, put on her hat here. Put on her hat and then make the camera see you. Make the camera she say you have a police hat. One time my neighbor was supposed to be there so in the first place. I tell you so Constable Simon a joker. We can't even pressure the dancer them because I them work them I do. And police go in there and don't say nothing. Police actually are indulgent and take part. So what we do? Pressure dancer them when the quote unquote lawman in there enjoy themselves too. What we do? We can't hold the dancer them to a higher standard than the lawman in the video. Dancers them do what dancers do. I never realize them things are going abroad daylight still me things say at night time. But come to think of it, I guess because of the curfew hours, certain things that used to go on at night have to go on a day. So it look like the squad used to make him usual trip them at night time But through curfew hours now, I have to start coming at day. And the dance them I used to work at night, I have to start work at day. Big C make everybody schedule off it, rearrange. Tell them that Jamaica is a Netflix series, This is just another episode. But as me say, look like there's some kind of internal struggle, like a power struggle going on inside of JCF between competent professional officers who really want to do them work properly and see the best of the country, and like the trolls. That's the only way we can describe it, because a troll man a troll at this point. You can't serious. You can't see this level of gimmicks, and when you add the gimmicks on top of the long and muddy history of corruption, and then you add it on top of the cases that can only be described as incompetence, and when you add it on top of the fact that professionalism is still nowhere near it needs to be, JCF have a whole heap of work for them. Whole heap of work for them. And the people who run JCF, in the day, I feel them job to set standards and maintain standards. There are private companies in Jamaica. Right, talk about civilians that just work for a big company or a big brand. And you will not see them in a video like this, in them work clothes with them work company logo up on them chest. You won't see it. You know why? Because them take them company serious, them take them job serious, and there's a deterrent. That right there, because people can self-regulate, People can, have to stand up for people and tell them what to do every day, People can know, say, well, we can't do this, can we do this, that's going to happen, right? And this no look good, and really shouldn't do it. People can do that, Adults can do that, You know why JCF officers don't do that? Because them don't take it serious. It's a big joke, it's a gimmicks to them. This is funny. Man probably up on barracks and laugh about this. What's the problem? All the man them who go on bar in a broad daylight in their uniform when they're supposed to be on duty. What's the problem? Man them have fun, let them alone. You have squad the way look on it from the ankle. In order for the public have confidence in the JCF, in order for the public take JCF serious, JCF must take itself serious. Because when the public take JCF serious, that's when the public will work with JCF more. JCF can't fight no crime without intelligence provided to them by the people. And if the people them look on the police force that's supposed to be quote unquote protecting and serving as a puppy show, and some man run down video light and full of gimmicks, then we're going to shake them head. And that's what enough people have been doing for years. Enough people in Jamaica simply just don't take the police force serious. Right? Especially people who live in a certain volatile communities, and them see every minute, them see 87 who have all 15 victims, 20 victims, go to jail for 2 days, then get Lego. Enough people just say, you know what? Police thing a joke thing, justice is a joke thing. So when them people who fed up have seen certain man get leg all the time, see all this video, them take it serious. Then kiss them teeth and roll them eye hard till them eye all pop out of their head the way they get them frustrated. Cause the gimmicks thing, time too serious for the gimmicks. When you're top murder rate for the entire region, we don't have time for the gimmicks. But anyway, let me get back to bad man in scammer fighting against artists and make all them things to get views. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. I'm going to post the video, right, the full video of this the police team at the bar, because let's just say it's a very adult video, because at one point when I don't want them, how would I say, chest, right, out a door, and well, I go see the video anyway. PIA, let me say, big up on yourself. 2-year anniversary, more life, Ultra Squad, big up on yourself too. Stay circling, bless.